Let's take a look at how to create a synonym in Microsoft SQL Server. A synonym is an alias or an alternative name for a database object such as a table, a view, a stored procedure, a user-defined function, and a sequence. To create a synonym, you'd use the following syntax. You'd first specify the create synonym keyword, then you'd provide the synonym name or the alias name, then you'd provide the for keyword, then specify the object that you want to focus on to have this synonym or alias name be created for. What are some of the benefits of using a synonym? It provides a layer of abstraction over the base objects. It allows for you to shorten lengthy names with a simplified alias. And it allows for backward compatibility for existing applications when you rename database objects. Let's take a look at this in practice to get a better understanding as to how we go about creating a synonym as well as using a synonym. So today we'll be looking at our country, region, currency table, and this table is located in the Adventure Works database in the sales schema. So the fully qualified name would be the database name, then the schema name, and then the table name. So we're going to highlight and execute this statement. And we have 109 records returned to us from this particular table. Now, as you can imagine, typing out the entire fully qualified name for this table would be time consuming. And we can go about improving this time by utilizing a synonym. So what this will do is allow us to create an alias for this table so that we can shorten the time spent typing out to refer to this table. So to create an alias, we'd use the create synonym statement. So we'd start off by specifying the create synonym keyword. Then we'd provide the alias name that we want to have referred to. So in this case, for country, region, currency, we'll refer to it as CRC. Then we'd use the for keyword and we'd specify the object that we want to have that synonym created for. So in this case, we're going to be creating it for the Adventure Works sales country region table. So we're going to highlight and execute. And we have successfully created the synonym CRC that would refer to the Adventure Works sales country region currency table. Now to use that synonym, all we'd have to do is replace it in the area that we'd originally used the fully qualified name. So for example, we would be executing this entire statement to bring the details for the table. We can go ahead and replace this entire fully qualified name with CRC and then execute, and it returned to us the exact same information. And that's because we have created a synonym that would refer to this fully qualified table name and return that information to us. So our key takeaways: creating a synonym just requires for you to specify the create synonym keyword, then identify the alias name that you'd want to have used, then provide the for keyword, and then specify the object that you want to have the synonym created for.